Log in to Patient Xpress dashboard and click on the icon at the top right corner. Select Configuration. Scroll down and open Form Template Designer. Click on Consent Form Designer. Now go to Add Default Template. A list of default templates will appear. You can choose any template. Select the template and add template to edit. You can change the template name. You can edit the template content if you wish to, then scroll and save the template. Now search for the patient you want to send this form to. In Patient pop-up, click on the last third button, Attach Consent, then select the consent form and select Action as Sign Right Now. Once you click on Submit, you can see how this form looks. Thanks for watching.